Back, side, and extended side panels are installed in a similar fashion. They're easy to remove and replace, making maintenance hassle-free and efficient. Before you begin anything, remove parts, such as drawers, in order to have access to the screws. When replacing back panels, the first step is to have a second person hold the panel in place in order to prevent it from falling off the cabinet. There are 2 screws on the inside of the cabinet at the top and the back. Remove the screws. Then take the back panel off. The panel should come with 2 screws at the bottom of them to act as a guide when inserting it onto the cabinet. If the screws are not attached to the bottom of the panel, simply insert them so that the bottom of the screws are facing the inside of the panel. Place the panel on the cabinet's bottom lip and make sure the screws are just sitting in the holes. Next, push the panel in place so that the top of the panel is underneath the top lip of the cabinet. Then, have a second person hold the panel down so that it doesn't fall off of the cabinet. Insert the 2 number 10 screws into the holes in the inside of the cabinet in the back and tighten. Once completed, this is how the installed back panel will look. In order to replace side and extended side panels, follow the same steps as removal of the back panels, but loosen the screws from the side of the cabinet instead of the back. After the drawer is removed, locate the 2 screws on the inside of the cabinet that are on the same side of the panel you want to replace. With one hand, hold the panel in place to prevent it from falling off, remove the screws, and take the panel off. Put the new side or extended side panel on so that the bottom screws are sitting on top of the access holes, and the top of the panel is underneath the top lip of the cabinet. Hold the panel in place, insert the screws into the holes, and tighten. Once completed, this is how the installed side and extended side panels will look.